Dear viewers, Namaskar. We wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year 2022. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. Let's not rest on our laurels and set new benchmarks and register new accomplishments in the year 2022, exhorts Mr. Amarendu Prakash, DIC, to RSP Collective. Karamveer Award function held at Ispat General Hospital of SAIL, RSP.
Reminisce 2021 and AV on events and happenings of the year 2021 released. Winners of essay competition awarded at SAIL RSP.
Safety a priority strikes a note at the New Year observation at SAIL RSP. Health camp organized at the industrial slums by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant.
We need to focus on all-round preparedness to face another possible wave of COVID-19 pandemic, urges Mr. Amarendu Prakash, DIC, to senior officers of Rourkela Steel Plant. Hot strip mill 2 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant successfully completes rolling of 10,496 ton HR coils.
SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant ends the year 2021 with string of records and awards. Health camp organized in Dalposh Model Steel Village of SAIL RSP.
Sharps Foundry of SAIL RSP successfully develops 18-meter cube slag pot with inbuilt trunnion. Meditation session organized for Center Plant Collective.
Inauguration of a remote operating steel sample analysis center of SMS1 Labs adds to digitization drive of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Vaccination drive continues for the 15-18-year-olds in centers set up by RSP with the help of district administration.
And now the news in detail. RSP excelled in all spheres and achieved remarkable overall performance in the year 2021. But we can't rest on our laurels. I know that the indomitable spirit of the Rourkelites and their knack for excellence and innovation will not allow us to rest. We have to think of fresh benchmarks to surpass and new accomplishments to register in the year 2022, said Mr. Amarendu Prakash, Director in Charge, BSL and RSP, in his address to the RSP Collective on 1st January 2022. Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Works, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED PNA, Mr. K.B.S. Singh, CGM in Charge Projects, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in Charge MM and Marketing, Dr. B.K. Hota, CMO in Charge M&HS, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM in Charge CFNA, all Chief General Managers and around 1,000 employees joined the meeting organized online. The DIC extended warm New Year greetings to all the employees and their family members. Applauding the commendable performance of RSP Collective during one of the most challenging times, he said, "The extent of the accomplishment is measured by the magnitude of the obstacles one has to overcome. In spite of the brutal impact of the pandemic, RSP touched new peaks of excellence in production, productivity, techno-economics and profitability in the year 2021 by dint of the sheer dedication and perseverance of Team RSP," he added. The DIC spoke about the proactive steps taken by the steel plant to strengthen the healthcare system and facilities to meet the emerging situations. Touching upon the future roadmap, the DIC said, we can't afford to miss the opportunity to reap rich dividends from the prevailing favorable market. Let's adopt a three-pronged strategy of enhancing volume of production, eliminating breakdowns and surprises, and optimizing resource utilization. Let zero tolerance be the key word for us in every endeavor, be it safety, quality, environment maintenance, or wastage management. Let us rededicate ourselves to make the best quality steel at the lowest cost in a safe, eco-friendly, and harmonious environment so as to further reinforce our contribution in making of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. That will be our way of celebrating the Amrit Mahotsav, he concluded. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. A.K. Kundu spelt out the future challenges for RSP, especially in the COVID-19 backdrop, and appealed to everyone to be alert and aware. Mr. Suryavanshi in his address emphasized upon sustenance in different important parameters, which holds the key for the prosperity of the company. He also stressed on safety not just at workplace but in every walk of life. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. P.K. Satpathy spoke on the importance of employee productivity and encouraged all to make efforts to be the best in the country in this critical parameter. Mr. C.R. Mahapatra spoke about the recent achievements of the plant in the field of marketing, while Mr. K.B.S. Singh deliberated upon various project endeavors, including the successful recommencement of rolling from the state-of-the-art new hot strip mill 2. Dr. B.K. Hota discussed about the preparedness to face the emerging threat of the new Omicron variant, while Mr. Praveen Nigam elaborated on the importance of further reducing the cost of production. In the following interaction session, many executives and employees shared their thoughts on the theme, My Vision of RSP in the Year 2022. Ms. Archana Satpathy, DGM PR and COC coordinated the program. A Karamveer Award function was held at Ispat General Hospital of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant on 31st December 2021. Dr. Biranchi Kumar Hota, CMO in charge, graced the occasion as the chief guest and presented the awards to Mr. J.K. Mahanta, Senior Hospital Technician Medical, Mrs. Swapna Mahanta, Senior Nursing Sister Medical, and Mr. S.K. Biswal, Senior Lab Technologist. Present on the occasion were Mr. N.P. Sahu, CMO, Mr. G.R. Dash, GM Personnel, and other senior officials of the department. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Hota commended the sincerity and commitment of the three awardees and encouraged them to continue the good work. Mr. J.K. Mahanta was awarded for his dedicated endeavors to excel in dressing, bandage of wounds, cuts, etc. Mrs. Swapna Mahanta was awarded for her exemplary service in ICU during COVID-19 pandemic, while Mr. S.K. Biswal was awarded for his sincerity and excellent performance in pathology work in IGH laboratory. Mr. S.C. Paricha, Assistant Manager Personnel, coordinated the event.
In a function organized by Public Relations Department at Rourkela Steel Television Center on 31st December 2021, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, EDP&A released Reminisce 2021, an audio-visual presentation on the events and happenings in Rourkela Steel Plant in the year 2021. Ms. Archana Satpathy, DGM PR and COC, and other executives and employees of the PR department were present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, the EDP&E applauded the efforts of the PR department in highlighting the events in an effective and efficient manner. He appreciated the quality of work being done by RSTV and the entire PR team. He exhorted everyone to keep up the good work and strive to scale newer heights. Mr. Satpathy also felicitated Ms. Pooja Rawat, Assistant Manager PR, and Mr. Shams Ghazali, Assistant Manager SPP, two program presenters. In her address, Ms. Satpathy commended the efforts of PR Collective in compiling a very beautiful audio-visual collage of the year 2021 in a very short period. She highlighted the journey of RSTV from the humble beginning in a room in a civic center to reaching across the globe through YouTube and other social media networks. Mr. Shashank S. Patnaik, AMPR, welcomed the gathering and coordinated the event. Mr. C.K. Sharma, Manager PR, proposed a formal vote of thanks. Winners of the essay competition organized by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant amongst the employees to commemorate the Ambedkar Mahaprayan Divas were awarded in a program held at ED Works Conference Hall on 30th December 2021. Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Works, presided over the function and handed over the prizes. Present on the occasion were Mr. Dhirendra Mishra, GM IC Personal Works, prize winners and concerned jury members. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Suryavanshi commended the zeal of the employees and encouraged all to motivate others to participate in such events. In Category 1, Oriya language was the first prize winner of this competition was Mr. Tripathi N. Mishra of Power Distribution, while Dr. Anil Kumar Barik of PCS and Mr. Siddharth Jaina of Blast Furnace were the second and third award winners respectively. Similarly, in Hindi language, the first went to Mr. Dheeraj Kumar of TNR, Mr. Vijay Arya of CNRT and Mr. Vikram Singh of Blast Furnace were the second and third award winners. In English language, the first prize winner was Ms. Divya Das of CCW, while Mr. Shankar Kartikeya of Bashuan Iron Mines and Mr. Ricky Agarwal of MMS bagged the second and third spots. In Category 2, Oriya language, the first prize went to Ms. Anushya Mahapatra of NPM. Mr. Kedarnath Hui of SSM and Ms. Rashmi Rekha Gochayat CCD got the second and third places. Similarly, in Hindi language, the first prize was won by Mr. Prashant Kumar Nayak of SSM. Mr. R.P. Mahanti of RSM and Ms. Ash Shaw of CCD were the second and third award winners. In English essay, the first spot went to Mr. R. Das of Blast Furnace, while the next two places were bagged by Mr. P. K. Patra of HSM 1 and Ms. Rita Kumari of Instrumentation Department. The function was coordinated by Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Behra, Manager Personnel.
An automatic number plate recognition system installed in Rourkela Steel Plant RSP was inaugurated by Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Works, in a program organized at Safety Engineering Department on 1st January 2022. Present on the occasion were Mr. Ashim Kumar Behra, CGM Safety and Fire Services, and other senior officers of the plant. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Suryavanshi lauded different safety awareness initiatives taken by the Safety Engineering Department and stressed upon complete elimination of road accidents inside the steel plant. It is worth mentioning here that the ANPR cameras have been installed at 5 locations inside the plant, namely near Special Plate Plant, Field Machinery Maintenance, NSPCL Chowk, CO and CCD Office Building, Civil Engineering Services Office Building under the supervision of SED and Electronics and Automation Departments. The system will capture the speed of the vehicles or two-wheelers along with the video footage, which is then to be sent to the server room at Safety Engineering Department. The captured violation details shall be sent to C and IT Department for seeking further details of the vehicle and its owner, and subsequently shall be sent to Finance and Accounts Departments OB and A section for imposition of penalty to the violators according to the Rashyak scheme. Notably, RSP has been taking a number of initiatives like awareness campaigns, surprise checks and imposition of penalties to check the violation of road safety rules inside the steel plant boundary. The new system will help in further strengthening the system by monitoring and regulating the speed of the vehicles or two-wheelers plying on the road inside the plant and detect the violators moving more than the stipulated speed inside the plant premises. These cameras can track the speed of the vehicles or two-wheelers which are travelling at a speed of more than 20 km per hour during day and night time. Earlier in the morning of 1st January 2022, the Safety Engineering Department had organized a program at ED Works office in which safety pledge was administered by ED Works to the CGMs and other officials. A special focus is being paid to the health status in the slums of Industrial Township by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP to prevent any outbreak of the epidemic specially concerned with the COVID-19 variants. The CSR department of RSP, in collaboration with the Ispat General Hospital, has been organizing health checkup camps at different locations, both within and outside the township, on a regular basis for this purpose. On 31st December 2021, a health camp was organized at Samleshwari Basti, Sector 8, for the residents of the area through the mobile medical unit. The camp was coordinated by the CSR team. Around 50 persons were examined and treated by IGH doctors. Random blood samples were also collected and tested on the spot to assess the health issues prevalent in the area necessary for taking appropriate precautionary measures. Medicines as per prescription of the doctors was distributed free of cost to the patients.
We need to be prepared in every respect to face another possible wave of COVID-19 pandemic, emphasized Mr. Amarendu Prakash, DIC, while interacting with the senior officers of Rourkela Steel Plant in a virtual meeting on 3rd January 2022. After seeing the mayhem created by the second wave of COVID-19 across the world, we can't afford to take any chance. The new variant of COVID-19 is spreading in a fast and furious pace. We have to strengthen every step in the process of saving our employees, their family members, contract employees, as well as every other resident of our steel city and mine from the clutches of the pandemic, stressed the DIC. During the interaction, various initiatives were being taken by Rourkela Steel Plant in sanitization and prevention to testing, tracking, isolating and vaccinating were discussed threadbare by the senior officers of RSP, including Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Works, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED P&A, Mr. C.R. Mohapatra, CGM in charge MM and Marketing, Mr. B.K. Hota, CMO in charge M&HS, as well as Dr. Shikhar Sahai, DIG, CISF. The DIC took stock of the medical facilities, availability of medicines, vaccines, testing kits, PPEs, liquid medical oxygen, oxygen cylinders, masks, sanitizer, disinfectant, etc. at Rourkela as well as the different mines locations under the Odisha group of mines. Mr. Prakash advised the senior officers to keep the employees and contract workers alert and aware about the developments so as to protect themselves as well as their family members safe from the virus. It is worth mentioning here that Rourkela Steel Plant has been taking proactive measures to face any kind of exigency arising out of the onslaught of the COVID pandemic. 128 beds have been earmarked for COVID treatment, out of which 50 have got oxygen support and 15 are in the COVID ICU. 3 RT-PCR testing setups are functioning at IGH with the capacity of carrying out 1500 testings daily. Besides, the super specialty hospital has 200 ICU beds and 100 ventilators that can be used for COVID treatment. Vaccination is also being carried out by IGH with its own resources as well as with the help of the state government. A vaccination facility for the youngsters belonging to 15 to 18 years has been set up by the state government at the OPD of IGH in the first phase, which has started functioning from 3rd January and will continue till 8th of January 2022. Hot Strip Mill 2 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has successfully completed rolling of 610 number of HR coils weighing 10,496 ton on 3rd January 2022 as a part of its stabilization process. It is worth mentioning here that the mill had rolled out its first coil in January 2020. However, because of the COVID-19 pandemic and therefore unavailability of the external experts, the process of rolling was kept on hold. The recommencement of rolling from the new state-of-art Hot Strip Mill 2 of RSP began on 31st October 2021. The first 100 number of HR coils was rolled on 8 December 2021 and the first consignment of 16 numbers of hot rolled coils with a total tonnage of 246 ton from the mill was flagged off on 28 December 2021. The newly installed world-class HSM2 has a capacity to roll out 3 million ton of world-class HR coils per annum.
Rourkela Steel Plant, a unit of Maharatna Company SAIL, emerged stronger from the pandemic blues to post brilliant overall performance in various key areas in the calendar year 2021. The steel plant produced highest ever 4.37 million ton hot metal, 3.99 million ton crude steel and 3.69 million ton saleable steel in 2021. RSP also clocked specific energy consumption of 6.02 gigacalories per ton of crude steel in 2021, which is the best figure for any calendar year. Besides, RSP also set a string of production records in 2021 with each of the departments excelling in tandem and setting fresh benchmarks. Tiding over the disruption caused by the second wave, the production trends continued to move northwards. The array of records include the best torpedo lining life of 2,584 heats achieved in June 2021, which is also the best in the country. Best monthly production of 3,63,112 tons crude steel and 3,42,000 tons saleable steel in March, and best monthly center production of 6,53,181 tons in July 2021 were some other highlights. The recommencement of rolling from the state-of-the-art new hot strip mill 2 on 31st October 2021 was a major highlight of the calendar year. The first consignment from the mill set up with cutting-edge technology was flagged off on 28 December 2021. Another key feature of the year was the successful visit of the Honorable President of India to dedicate the Ispat Postgraduate Institute and Super Specialty Hospital to the nation. It is noteworthy that the ultra-modern hospital was completed within 2 years in spite of the pandemic. An ICU facility with 100 ventilators was set up in the hospital to provide treatment to COVID patients. An 100 oxygenated bedded jumbo hospital with 50 ventilators, namely Ispat Nidan Kendra, was also set up in quick succession to take care of the increasing number of COVID cases. The steel plant and its employees won a host of awards during the year. RSP won the prestigious Green Tech Awards in Energy Conservation, Effective Safety Culture, Human Resources and Environment Management. The steel plant also won the Grow Care India Gold Award for Environment Protection and ENCON Award for Energy Conservation. It also bagged 4 medals, including a gold at the 15th Global Communication Conclave by PRCI and People First HR Excellence Award 2021 in 2 categories for its HR initiatives. Many employees of the plant also matched the par excellence performance and bagged honors at different events across the globe. While 4 employees from the instrumentation department won the coveted Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar Award in Class A, given by the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. A team of 3 young executives brought laurels for the country by bagging 3rd place in the Global Management Challenge International Finals held at Nizhny Novgorod, Russia from 27 to 29 September 2021. A health camp was organized at the Dalposh Model Steel Village of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 3rd January 2022 by Deepika Mahila Sangati, a leading philanthropic organization of the Steel City and a partner of RSP CSR. Mrs. Indrani Kundu, Acting President, Mrs. Harshala Suryavanshi and Mrs. Hiranmay Satpati, both Vice Presidents of DMS, visited the camp and interacted with the doctors and villagers. Also present on the occasion were Mr. D. Pradhan, DGM CSR, Ms. Namita Mahapatra, Secretary DMS, members of governing body of DMS and other officials of CSR. During the camp, an awareness session was organized with regard to the basic health and hygiene, menstrual hygiene and COVID-19 precautionary measures. Around 180 patients were examined and treated on the spot by Dr. Usha Nayak. Blood pressure, blood sugar were also tested along with the random blood sample testing for assessing the prevalent health issues in the area and reduce the risk for some chronic complications. Free medicines were given to the patients as per the prescription of the doctor. The members of DMS distributed personal protective health and hygiene materials like masks, sanitizers and sanitary napkins. 100 sanitary napkins were also given to the government high school for the adolescent girl students.
The Shops complex of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has been making relentless efforts to reduce the cash outflow from the company by developing equipment in-house. The departments are tapping the available technical expertise and exploring avenues to meaningfully contribute to the initiatives of the plant to reduce cost of production. In yet another exemplary effort, the Shubs Foundry has successfully developed 18-meter cube slag pot with inbuilt trunnion and casted it last month using about 34 tons of steel from SMS1. Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Works, handed over the new slag pot to Mr. Krishna Kumar, in charge of SMS2, in the presence of other senior officers and employees in a program organized at Shubs Foundry on 1st January 2022. It may be noted that 18-meter cube slag pot is a very critical item for SMS2. Previously, it was being cast at foundry without trunnion ring. Trunnion ring used to be produced from outside agency and fitted with the slag pot. The drawing for slag pot and mold box was prepared with the assistance of design department. Pattern and mold box were prepared at foundry pattern shop and fabrication shop respectively and shifted to heavy casting area of SMS1 for core making and casting. After fettling and annealing of slag pot at foundry, flange portion was machined at mechanical shop and final assembly of trunnion with ring with fastener bolts was done at repair shop mechanical. The team of Shubs Foundry comprising Mr. B. Soren, Mr. C. Mohanta, Mr. N. Das, Mr. P. K. Lenka, Mr. K. C. Gaur, Mr. S. K. Pradhan, Mr. U. Tirki, Mr. A. Bindhani, Mr. S. Gaur, Mr. N. Behera, Mr. N. Mahanto and Mr. K. Sanapati, the senior technicians led by Mr. Bansidhar Dhara, executed the project. The job was undertaken under the guidance and supervision of Mr. R. N. Rajendran, CGM Mechanical. A substantial amount of cash outflow has been checked with this enterprising endeavor, as a new equipment would have cost the company about Rs 56 lakhs. With this endeavors, the Shubs Collective has once again exhibited its commitment and technical expertise to help the plant overcome challenging circumstances successfully. A Panchakosh meditation session was organized at Samak Vidyan near Center Plant 3 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 5th January 2022. The objective of the program was to infuse new energy and enthusiasm into the Center Collective of the plant and also to gear them up to overcome the COVID-19 challenges. Mr. A.K. Datta, officiating HOD Center, presided over the session. In all, 50 employees, including senior executives and other officers, attended the program in compliance with guidelines pertaining to COVID-19. Dr. P. K. Parhi, GM SP1, conducted the Panchakosha meditation. This involved Annamaya Kosha, the food sheet, Pranama Kosha, the sheet of vital life force energy, Manomaya Kosha, the mental psychological sheet, Vijnanamaya Kosha, the intellect sheet, and Anandamaya Kosha, the bliss sheet, to address the physical, psychological and energetic imbalances. This in turn is expected to heighten the understanding and awareness of these sheets for better performance and work-life balance.
Adding to the ongoing digitization drive, a remote operating steel sample analysis center of Steel Melting Shop 1 was inaugurated at RNC Lab of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant by Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Works on 5th January 2021. Present on the occasion were Mr. Atish Sharkar, CGM Quality, Mr. K. Sengupta, CGM CNIT, Mr. M. Mahanti, CGM Electrical, Mr. K. Srinivas, GM E&ES, Mr. A. Mandal, GM CNIT, Mr. P. Gupta, GM in charge CES, Mr. C. Tirki, GM SMS1 and other senior officers and employees. It may be noted that since 1995, SMS1 is being served by two labs, the Express Lab, which cater to BOF and secondary steel making requirements, and the CCM1 Lab, which fulfills the requirement of LHF and CCM1. With the commissioning of remote operating center, Both the labs are now being operated from a single center located at CCM1 lab. This has resulted in substantial savings both in terms of manpower and time of operators and end users, that is the SMS1 operation. The execution of the project involved compatibility checking of optical emission spectrum with network connection. Suitable computers and softwares were installed with the help of C&IT department. 3 CCTV cameras were installed with the help of automation and electronics department. Another new computer was commissioned at CCM1 lab in order to view the CCTV footage. A hotline was fixed at CCM1 and SMS1 lab for speedy communication between both the labs. Employees of both the labs were trained accordingly for efficient operation. The installation of the new system has made the data available to all the stakeholders across the board, right from the top management to the people at the shop floor, thus ensuring faster and efficient communication of data to all the end user departments with full transparency and data integrity. It would also help in quick decision making, time saving and effective cost control. Vaccination drive for the 15 to 18-year-old is continuing in different centers set up by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant with the help of district administration. 2 vaccination centers have opened at Nehru OPD of IGH and at Delhi Public School Sector 14. The centers are catering to the general needs of the residents of Steel Township irrespective of the employees and their dependents. More than 1,500 persons have been vaccinated till now. Besides, the vaccination for the elder groups are also continuing simultaneously. For the vaccination, registration is being done in the CoWIN 2.0 portal or other IT applications such as Arogya Setu. On-the-spot registration facility has made available at the DPS center. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.